I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's not coming from the hospital. I'm closer to the river. I can't pinpoint it, but I'm trying. It's kind of black out here. This will go on for a couple hours. Fades away, comes back louder. Well, now I know where it's not coming from. What can I say? You guys try to figure this one out, because I'm out of here.